Imagine waking up tomorrow in your dream home, with your dream job and everything you've ever wanted. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you this isn't just a dream? People are doing this right now, making their wildest wishes come true in just 48 hours. And you can too. Close your eyes for a second. Picture what you want most in the world. Got it? Great. Now, let's talk about how to make that real, fast. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets to manifesting any dream in just 2 days. I know it sounds wild. Stick with me. Your life is about to change big time. Let's be real. Have you ever tried to manifest something and it didn't work? It's frustrating, right? Well, here's the thing. It's probably because you weren't clear about what you wanted. It's like trying to find a house without knowing the address. How can you get there if you don't know where there is? Here's what you need to do. Get a pen and paper. Write down exactly what you want. Be super clear. Use happy words. And here's the magic trick. Write like it's already happened. Instead of, I want to be rich, write, I have $1 million in my bank account. See how that feels different? This little change will make your dreams come true way faster. Now you might be thinking, okay, I wrote it down. Why isn't it happening? Well, writing it down is just the start. Your brain needs more. It needs to see it and feel it. This is where we use our imagination. Think of it like making a movie in your head. Spend 5 to 10 minutes twice a day playing this movie. See yourself living your dream. Feel how happy you are. And don't stop there. Make a dream board. Put pictures and words on it that show your dream. Look at it every day. Remember, what you focus on grows. But here's the tricky part. Even doing all this, some people still don't get what they want. Why? Because they're too scared or worried. They try to control everything. Listen up, because this is super important. You need to let go. Trust that things will work out. Stop worrying so much. The universe has your back, but you need to relax and let it help you. Take deep breaths. Think about how good it feels to already have what you want. Trust that things are working out just right. When you put all this together, clear wishes, strong imagination, and trust, you become unstoppable. You're not just hoping anymore, you're making things happen. Here's your plan. Write down your dream clearly. Imagine it every day. Make a dream board. Let go and trust. And here's a bonus tip. Be thankful for what you have now. What you're grateful for grows. Start writing down things you're thankful for every day. Now it's your turn. Don't just watch this and do nothing. Start right now. Write down your dream, picture it, and let the magic happen. Your best life is waiting for you. Are you ready to grab it? Remember, you can make any dream come true in just 48 hours. What are you going to wish for first?